Imagine a scenario of unimaginable scale. What if Earth were on a collision course with another planet? Not a small asteroid, but a world comparable in size, perhaps even larger. This isn't science fiction, it's a potential, albeit incredibly rare cosmic event. As the two planets drew near, gravitational forces would tear at their structures. The impact itself would release energy beyond comprehension, dwarfing any event in human history. Crusts would shatter, oceans would boil instantly, and shockwaves would propagate through the very core of both worlds. The outcome depends on the size and speed of the collision. A glancing blow might strip away the atmosphere and melt the surface, leaving a scarred, lifeless husk. A direct hit could merge the planets into a single molten sphere, or, if the energy is high enough, shatter both into a vast debris field, forming a new asteroid belt or even a temporary ring system. Life as we know it would cease to exist long before the planets touched. The sky would become a spectacle of doom, followed by an inferno. The remnants would be a testament to the violent forces that shape the cosmos, a stark reminder of our planet's fragile place in the universe.